Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can grab and move physics subject in Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, I can grab the subject and move it around wherever I want. I can carry it to the other location, place it anywhere, and when I release my grab button, the object will automatically drop and reacts naturally with physics. I will show you the complete process step by step, and by the end of the video, you will have a complete grab and move physics object system in Unreal Engine 5. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine first person character template. On here, I first open my BP first person character blueprint class. On here, I first added a component named with physics handle. After that, I simply search for my F keyboard event key. On here, I first simply drag my first person camera and search for the get world location. And on here, I simply search for the line trace by channel and connect get world location to the start of line trace by channel. And then from again first person camera, I simply search for the get world rotation. From get world rotation, I simply search for the get forward vector. From get forward vector, I just simply multiply, convert to the float and put my values to 600. I think 600 would be perfect for me. You can adjust according to your needs. It can tell how far the line trace from your first person camera, and after that I just simply add my both values and connect to the end of the line trace by channel. Just align my code and set my draw debug type to the for durations. Compile it, then search for the branch and then break my line trace seed channel. From break, I just simply drag my physics handle and search for the grab component at location and location. Just connect to the true pin to the get component, grab component at location with rotation. And from the hit component, I just simply search for the get world location and connect it to the location. And for the component, I just connect to the hit component. And what does this grab component at location and rotation node do? It attach a physics subject to the physics handle so it can be controlled and moved. On here, I create an bool called b can grab and just set it true on here. And for the release pin, I just simply drag my b can grab, check it. If it is false, I just simply drag my physics handle again and search for the release component and connect it to the true pin. And after that, I just simply set my b can grab to false again. So what does this release component do? Because it release the object from physics handle and let physics control it again. So this is the complete setup for on the F keyboard event key. On here, I just simply search for the set timer by event. Then add a custom event. Or set it name to physics component. Add another custom event and set it name to move physics object. Set it value to 0.01 and check the looping box. On here, I just copy my whole this code and paste it, and again get my physics handle and simply search for the set target location and connect my plus output pin to the new location and connect physics component to the set target location Actually, what does this target location do? It moves the grab object toward the target location. After that, I compile it, save it. Now call our move physics object after can grab. So simply search for the move physics object and connect to the can grab. So this is about the complete setup for grab and move physics object. So compile it. I have these four skills in my level. Just make sure that in details panel they all have a collision presets of physics actor. After that, save all. Now let's test it. Now you can see I can grab my physics subject and move around wherever I want. I can carry to the other locations, and when I release my physics subject, the object will drop down and react naturally with physics. So now we have a complete working system where we can grab and move physics object in Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, the system is very simple to create and it is very useful for many different types of games and interaction. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I will see you in the next video.